common complaint I hear from women is that their hair is not shiny enough. So this would be the point in the styling that you would apply your shine serums. And I like something that's like a cream or even a glossing drop. I'm using a little bit of a cream here. It's olive oil based. And you use just a tiny bit. If you use too much, it'll weigh your hair down. And that's when you start at the bottom, at the ends, and you just kind of run it through. And what that's going to do is that's going to add separation and shine and really piece out those layers. So if you can see how those layers are just really piecing out. And then if you have those little guys who stick up at the scalp, you can use a little light cream. This is just a flyaway control stick. So it's specifically designed for this area, so it's not going to be real heavy. And you just lightly go over, and it'll take care of all those. And then if you have any excess on your hands, again, you can just run it through the layers. And what that's going to do is just add that separation. And separation is what sets the styles of today apart from the styles of 20 or 30 years ago. So it makes a style that you could have had, you know, since high school a little bit more modern.